Mini importation business is not dead. Yes, you heard me right. Mini importation business is not dead. In today's video, I'll be explaining to you 3 reasons why you need to reconsider going into mini importation business, or if you've never had anything to do with the mini importation business, this video will give you 3 reasons you should consider going into mini importation business right here in Nigeria. My name is Joseph and I welcome you to Side Hustle Nigeria, where we give tips on side hustle businesses you can do either to supplement your income as a worker, or if you are unemployed, these are things you can possibly kickstart and do fine. So we are looking into importation business, but before we go deep into the importation business as a topic or business you can venture into, let us quickly look into 3 major reasons every Nigerian should consider the mini importation business. Now, the first and the most important reason is the fact that the Nigerian economy is predominantly a consuming economy. I say that again. We are consumers. We have high taste bud for things that are manufactured outside our zip code, and that is one reason you should consider going into importation business. Now, if you check your apartment or you look at yourself from the wears you put on, can you really say that everything you are putting on right now are all produced in Nigeria? That is not possible, right? So that is to let you know that even you as a person, you must have at one point in time patronized products manufactured in other countries. So first thing first, Nigeria as a country is predominantly a consuming country. We consume more. So importing products to the country to meet people's needs is very essential. You can't rule that out. Maybe in the nearest future, we can now start becoming more of a producing country. People need things to keep life going and to make life enjoyable. You just have to get it to them. And that is where you play your own role as a mini importer. Now, the second most important reason you should consider going into the mini importation business is the fact that mini importation business is a lifelong business. When I say lifelong business, it's a business that will continue till, I don't know how you put it. I can't say eternity, right? But it will continue for a very long time. An economy that doesn't trade with any other country in the world is called an autarky economy, if I'm correct, right? And we in this country, we don't operate that. So it therefore means that Nigeria will continue to be importing goods from abroad, and you stand a better chance to leverage on this because the opportunity is there. The government haven't restricted importation of many things, including toothpick and the likes, okay? And you can bring these items to the country. The third reason why you should think about the mini importation business is because the mini importation business is also a business that you can kickstart with little capital. Let's say with a minimum of 50,000 naira, you can start something. Now, before you start considering the figure I just told you, I need you to also understand that there are some other important points or facts that you need to have at your fingertips before you venture into your mini importation business, not to get your hands burnt. And we are going to be covering all that in this channel right here in Nigeria side also. Okay, we're going to be covering all that in this course. So mini importation business is a good business you can venture into if you are right here in Nigeria. The opportunity are there, the products are there. I'm going to be giving you my own experience about it and things you should avoid if you are getting started with the mini importation business. In this topic also, we are going to be looking at how you can start importing from other countries like China, Vietnam, USA, and the likes, and things you should consider importing first as a beginner in the mini importation business. That's all for now. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please do well to click the like button. Also, drop your comment if you have any comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And from the report I've gotten, people who smash the like button say that it doesn't break. So give it a try, subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way in my next video, keep winning. Bye for now.